The dolphin came right up here, right to the beach, trying to get fish. It was chasing down a fish. That's cool. So we were out at the beach today, and I found this octopus. We're anchored right there. I'll see if I can find it again. It's in like it's hiding in like a tube. So you can see it a bit. It was poking out a lot more earlier, but it's went farther inside, and it won't be coming out anytime soon. So
Austin
got homemade gelato.
He got all the different flavors.
I got strawberry,
in the one
hazelnut,
cup.
and pistachio.
I got lemon.
Just lemon.
Plain lemon. Lenny.
This is the first ice cream we've had.
Has it?
Yep, first ice cream.
Oh, it was gelato. But yeah.
Month and a half.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You said that was so easy.
It was.
Once you're going forward, you can't go reverse. It says you have to breathe deeply. Maybe that's why you can't do it. You're at the end. Wow, good job. You did it.
Pajamas in the park.
Tell me when I'm at the end.
Okay.
Why do I feel like I'm almost at the end?
You're at the end.
First try. It's still 40 degrees here every day. The boat is an absolute mess because today is cleaning day because we're at a marina today. So we are just gonna try to get all of our laundry done. I already washed it all. Now it's hanging up to dry. And we have literally every single fan going in the entire boat. We bought this fan for Lenny so it can go on the floor. It's a really big fan. It's actually really strong. and it just blows at Lenny. Usually he sits right in front of it, but you know, he's mixing it up. Yeah, so we've stripped all the beds and everything, all the towels, and we have it all hanging up to dry now. So, whole boat is covered in our laundry. And Austin is fixing a hole in the dinghy, right?
Yep.
Patching a hole in the dinghy. And he cleaned it. It actually looks like way better.
I cleaned half of it. I ran out of my scrubby brushes.
Oh, he cleaned half of it. He wanted me to get him a, what is it called? Metal wool. Steel wool. Scrubby from the store, and I didn't. So
It hasn't been cleaned in a long time.
A half clean dinghy. It looks way better. Like way better than it did. So it was all sticky before. Anyway. So I just tried Lenny's new dog food. I just gave Lenny his new dog food. I thought he'd really like it. It was really special dog food. And Lenny says no. Says I don't want that dog food. Honestly. World's pickiest dog. I gotta go in with my old trick. I gotta put a bit of old hamburger on it. Lenny, was it better with hamburger? Is all dog food better with people food?